In this video, I want to talk about how you can open a Trading 212 demo account. Now, as you can see right here, I am currently on a demo account, and the easiest way to do this is simply by signing up just by your email and password. You don't actually need to verify your account with your identity or anything. Just use your email and password because you only need to verify it if you want to actually deposit something. So what you want to do after you have your account logged in, you simply want to click on these three stripes and scroll all the way to the bottom, and there will be a big green button that says switch to practice account. Now, I don't want to click on this because it's going to show my email and everything, but it will be at the bottom, and then you will be in practice mode, as you can see right here. And then you can simply click here to go back to a real account. So that's basically how that works, guys. It's really easy and really simple. Click there, scroll to the bottom, go to practice account, and that's how it works. Then you can come up here and you will be able to see your practice accounts in here. And you can also go back to the real one and see the real ones. Now, I hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.